Hello friends, I am Shruti from Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. I am going to teach you the subject e-commerce. This subject is from BBA first year second semester. Our today's topic is electronic payment systems. Let's understand what is EPS. It is a system which helps the customer or user to make online payment for their shopping. It is used to transfer money over the internet. That is, go digital, no cash. Features are protecting customers from merchants' fraud by keeping credit card numbers unknown to merchants, allowing people, even without cards, to engage in online transactions, protecting confidentiality of customers. Example of EPS are online reservation like IRCTC air buses, online bill payment like mobile bill, electricity bill, gas, credit cards, etc. Next, online order placing like buying and selling of goods and services. Next, online ticket booking. Next, net banking. Classification of EPS: e-cash, e-wallets, smart cards, and credit cards. Let's understand e-cash. A system that allows a person to pay for goods and services by transmitting a number from one computer to another. This is issued by a bank and represents a specified sum of real money. Let's understand e-wallet. E-wallet is another payment scheme that operates like a carrier of e-cash and other information. Next, smart cards. A smart card is any pocket-sized card with embedded integrated circuits which can process data. This implies that it can receive input which is processed and delivered as an output. Let's understand credit cards. It is a plastic card having a magnetic number and code on it. It has some fixed amount to spend. Customer has to repay the spent amount after some time. Now, electronic payment systems, debit cards and credit cards. Plastic card issued by banks allow customer to make online and offline purchases. Debit card utilizes the holder's own funds in the bank account. Credit card is offers a line of credit to the holder. Both debit card and credit card security features such as smart chips, CVV number and security code. Net banking. Net banking enables customers of a bank or other financial institution to conduct a variety of financial transactions through the financial institution's website. Net banking requires a customer ID and a transaction password. It may also require debit card CVV or PIN as an additional security measures. Almost all banks in India offer net banking services. Digital wallets. Online transaction wallets that digitally store money routed through a user's bank account or credit card. Serves as an alternative to cards and net banking and shorten the steps involved in a transaction steps once a user saves his and her card details with the wallet. Typically offers cashback as a promotional strategy to encourage use. Payment gateway. A payment gateway is an application that authenticates credit card transactions for purchases made from e-businesses, online retailers, bricks and clicks, or bricks and mortar. It enables the transfer of information between a payment platform such as a website, mobile phone, or interactive voice response services and the front end processor of, or bank. Some of the prominent payment gateway in India include CC Avenue, PayUmoney Payment Gateway, Citrus Pay. Benefits of payment gateway. Users are required to go through multiple security pages, such as the multiple pages one has to visit while paying through net banking. Transactions are much more real time in nature. The process of payment is relatively shorter compared to other EPS methods. Now, benefits of EPS: privacy, integrity, compatibility, good transaction efficiency, acceptability, convenience, mobility, low financial risk. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching this channel for more videos.